the official introduction dance. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe if you like my type of content. My name is Precious and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abia State, okay? I am so happy, so happy to have you here today. It's already the 15th of December and we have not popped December wine. Why? That's unlike me. How could I not? We are going to pop that December wine in this video. I did not expect this wine to pop like that, but I guess the wine was too excited. It decided to pop itself. Thank God it did not break anything. No, I would have started answering queries today. So guys, I have a few extra cups here just in case you're interested. You can just come and pick one. I'll pour for you. So, so you know that December is the celebration month. A lot of parties are about to start taking place. It's about to go down. So in today's video, I'm about to dish out okay guys, the first advice is before you attend any party or event, make sure you tell the people at home where you are going to. This is not the period when you sneak out of your house. The days in December are very evil. So don't sneak out. Tell your parents where you're going. Tell your siblings where you're going. And if they tell you not to go, don't go. You don't know why they're asking you not to go. Don't create trouble at home or have issues with your parents or with your family because you must. You see that this party, I must attend it. All my friends are going. I must also go. No, it's just a party of about 4 hours, 5 hours. After that, the party is over. But your family is always going to be there forever. So don't have issues or don't start a quarrel with your family just because of a party. The second advice is that if you're going to somewhere that you are not familiar with, it doesn't have to be for a party. Even if you're going for a makeup job or for a date or whatever, if you're going anywhere that you are not familiar with, make sure you go with somebody. Make sure you have company, okay? Just for your safety. Most times, if the person has a bad intention and they see that you have company, they will most likely not be able to accomplish that their bad or evil plan. Okay, so if you're going somewhere that you're not sure of, maybe to a village that you have not heard of before, or you're going to a place that you have not heard of before, please go with somebody, even if it's for a date. They'll tell you don't go on a date with your friends. But if it's this period and it's to somewhere that you're not familiar with, go with somebody. I beg. Advice number 3: my sister, my brother, always carry vex money. I cannot overemphasize this one, my dear. Carry vex money. Even if the person says bills on me, my dear, carry your money. May they no go rebel you. May they no go leave you stranded. You know, if you're going on a date and the person says bills on me, sometimes these men, they can move mad, okay? They might start to do sexual thoughts, or they might start to threaten you with not paying for your cab, or they'll say, I will not give you money for Uber. My dear, if you have like 5K in your pocket, you won't be bothered. Carry vex money, yo. Or maybe if you're going out with your friends and then maybe you feel like they're going to cover your bill, but they don't, you can always order your own food. Because places they plenty this December period. So make you not go make you no restaurant. Jesus Christ. Make you not go restaurant, go wash plates this period. Okay, so always carry vex money. Even if the person stands you up on a date, maybe the person doesn't show up, you can always cover your shame with your vex money. You carry vex money and order. Do as if you came there on your own to order something. Then just order something, eat and find your way. My sister, my brother, don't lose your home training at parties. You don't know who is watching. You don't know who is recording. So please don't do anything that you will not be proud of later on. No. Not because your friends are telling you, go Precious, go Precious, go Precious, you can't twerk. The kind of twerk that you know that if your parents see that video, they will disown you. Or you want to follow them and do dirty December and boomerang yourself smoking shisha. You guys, sorry, you guys smoke shisha and start a habit that you wouldn't have ever started if you had just behaved yourself, or you go and allow peer pressure to make you spend all your life savings at one party because they're calling you spending, boss, chairman, chief. You will go carry all your money, spend them on top of drink because you want to impress. Don't follow sugar daddy. You don't used to follow sugar daddy before because of that December, because of greed. You need extra money, because of pressure. You gotta follow sugar daddy. Don't lose your home training. Final advice: be very, very, very careful what you eat or drink at events this period. Oh my God, people are wicked though. People are very, very wicked. You've heard of food poisoning, right? Not the food poisoning that is caused by bacteria, or you've heard of purposeful or intentional food poisoning. It happens though. Apart from being poisoned, some crazy guys can try to spite your drink. Have you heard of Spanish fly? If you have not heard, sorry my dear, I can't explain it. But they might put it in your drink and make you very vulnerable and end up raping you. This period, these times are bad. So be careful what you drink. Make sure that you're there when they open the drink. Make sure that you're seeing them when they're pouring it for you inside the cup. In fact, before they pour it inside that cup, make sure that they rinse the cup very well, because they might rub it around the cup. Things are happening, They might wrap it around the cup. So make sure that you personally rinse that cup very well. Then you see them open the drink. Pour it for you. Look inside your cup. You are looking at it. Don't ever remove your eye from that your cup until you finish that drink. If you say you want to keep it on the table and talk to a fine man by the side, the if you come from the side, put something inside them. Things are happening, my dear. I'm here to preach to you. So please. So please be very careful with your drinks this period. Very careful with your food. Be very careful with what you eat, what you drink. In fact, don't even take concussion drinks at parties. Like, you don't know what they have mixed inside there. Even the food, make sure you ask them. I even heard they now put weed inside cake. So even inside the food, inside the cake, ask them if it is spiked, if it has intoxicating ingredients inside before you eat it. Before you go for a party and come back home, your mother will not know you anymore because the way you be doing. Your mother will not say, "Hey, oh, come CJ, hey." You will never go for another party in your house again. So please, that is if that is not what you want. If you want spiked food or you want spiked cake, but if you know that your head no fit carry, please ask them, is your food spiked? Is your cake spiked? Let you know what you are doing with your life. Also, I forgot to add, make sure you pray before you eat or drink, and also say a small prayer of protection before you hug any stranger or shake any stranger, okay? Because all of these are direct contacts to you and they can be used wrongly by a lot of people, okay? Also, if you party until it's late, make sure that you tell your parents, and if you have enough vex money, you can as well get a comfortable accommodation and stay the night over at the party venue, so that you don't risk kids going home late that night. And you know, a lot of things happen in the night this period. So if you know that you have partied until 11 p.m., 12 a.m., you can just call home so that they don't worry. Then you tell them that you're going to be spending the night here and use your vex money. That's why that vex money is very important. Use your vex money to get an accommodation. Peradventure, I know I said you should not lose your home training, but if peradventure you get drunk, please don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive, and that's why I always say you should attend parties with your friends, so that just in case you get intoxicated, you have somebody that you know you can trust, that will guard your wallet, guard your phone, and guard you or look after you, because when you're drunk, you're literally out of your senses. So you might do things that you will not normally do. So that's why I always say go with your friend, okay? I know it's okay, sometimes you have to jaye, party, but please, guys, this period, please party with sense, okay? I pray God protects us and leads us, safeguards us, and carries us in his hands safely into 2021. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you. I love you. Mwah. See you in my next video tomorrow. Bye.